Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a section D question from Arithmetic Progressions chapter which had appeared in CBSE board exam 2025. The sum of the third term and the seventh term of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. Find the sum of first 16 terms of the AP. So here they have given us that the sum of the third term, that is A3, and the seventh term, that is A7, is equal to 6. So here we have written A3 plus A7 is equal to 6 and the product of these two terms is going to be 8. So here we have written A3 times A7 is equal to 8. And here we need to find out the sum of first 16 terms of the AP, that is S16. And here we can see that no sequence is given, no first term of the sequence is given, neither the common difference is given. So let us consider the first term of the sequence as A and the common difference as D. And with this, let us make use of nth term of an AP formula, that is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D, and find out the expressions for A3 and A7, starting with n is equal to 3 now. So when n is equal to 3, A3 becomes equal to, now the first term of the sequence is A plus n is 3, so 3 minus 1 times the common difference we have considered here is D. So A3 will be equal to A plus 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 times D, giving us the expression for A3 as A plus 2D. Now similarly, let us find out the expression for A7. So when n equal to 7, A7 will be equal to A plus 7 minus 1 times D, giving us the equation of A7 as A plus 60. Now let us focus on the given expressions, starting with A3 plus A7 is equal to 6. So here we have written A3 plus A7 is equal to 6. Now A3 we have got it as A plus 2D plus A7 we have got it as A plus 60 is equal to 6. Now adding the like terms we get A plus A as 2A and 2D plus 60 as 8D is equal to 6. Now here all the terms are divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2, we get the first term as A plus 2 divides 8 giving us 4. So the second term becomes 4D is equal to 2 also divides 6 giving us 3. So here let us take 4D on the other side of equal to sign so that we get A equal to 3 minus 4D. And let us consider this as equation 1. Now let us focus on A3 times A7 is equal to 8. So we had got the expression for A3 as A plus 2D. So we have written A plus 2D here times A7 is A plus 60 is equal to 8. Now let us consider this as equation 2. Now let us plug in the value of A we have got, that is 3 minus 4D in equation 2. So substituting the value of A which we have got in equation 1 in equation 2, we get, now in place of A we have written 3 minus 4D plus 2D times 3 minus 4D plus 60 is equal to 8. Now adding the like terms again, we get here for the first bracket 3. Now minus 4D plus 2D gives us minus 2D times 3. Now minus 4D plus 60 gives us plus 2D is equal to 8. Now the left hand side is of the form A minus B times A plus B. So we are going to make use of an algebraic identity over here, which is A minus B times A plus B will be equal to A square minus B square. So 3 minus 2D times 3 plus 2D now becomes 3 square minus 2D the whole square is equal to 8. Now 3 square gives us 9 minus 2 square is 4. D square is equal to 8. Now let us take minus 4D square on the right hand side. And at the same time we are going to take 8 on the left hand side. So minus 4D square now becomes plus 4D square is equal to, now positive 8 going on the other side becomes negative 8 giving us 9 minus 8. Now this simplifies as 4D square is equal to 9 minus 8 gives us 1. Now taking 4 on the other side of equal to sign, we get D square is equal to 1 over 4. Now taking square on the other side of the equal to sign, it becomes square root. So D will be equal to plus or minus square root of 1 over 4, giving us the value of D as plus or minus 1 over 2. So here we have got two values for the common difference, that is plus 1 over 2 and minus 1 over 2. So here we have to find out two values of a for the two values of common difference we have got. And to find out the value of a, let us consider the equation 1 and let us take the value of d as negative 1 over 2. So here we have written, consider equation 1, that is a is equal to 3 minus 4d, and taking the value of d as negative 1 over 2, we are going to plug in its value in this equation. So we get a is equal to 3 minus 4 times negative 1 over 2. Now here 2 divides 4, that is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 2 times is 4. So here we get 3 minus 2 times minus 1 gives us plus 2. So the first value of a we get here is 3 plus 2, that is 5. So when common difference is negative 1 over 2, we get the first term of the sequence as 5. Now let us consider the value of d as positive 1 over 2. So a will be equal to 3 minus 4 times, now in place of d we have written 1 over 2. Now again 2 divides 4, that is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 2 times is 4, giving us 3 minus 2 times positive 1 gives us minus 2. So 3 minus 2 gives us a is equal to 1. So when the common difference is 1 over 2, we get the first term of the sequence as 1. Now here, once we have got the first term of the sequence and the common differences, let us find out the sum to 16 terms of the AP, once by taking a is equal to 5 and d is equal to minus 1 over 2, and the second time by taking a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 1 over 2. So sum of first n terms of an AP formula is given as Sn is equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term of the sequence and d represents the common difference. Now taking the first combination of first term and common difference as 5 and negative 1 over 2 and n is equal to 16, we get S16 is equal to 16 over 2 times a is 5 plus 16 minus 1 times the common difference is negative 1 over 2. Now simplifying this we get, now 2 divides 16 giving us 8 times 2 times 5 is 10 plus 16 minus 1 is 15 times negative 1 over 2. Now further simplifying this we get 8 times, now plus 15 multiplies with negative 1 giving us negative 15 over 2. Now here we are going to take a common denominator, that is 10 can be written as 10 over 1. So we are going to multiply 10 by 2 and 1 also by 2, giving us 8 times 10 times 2 is 20 minus 15 over a common denominator, that is 2. Now 2 divides 8, that is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 4 times is 8. So this simplifies as 20 minus 15 is 5. So 4 times 5 gives us sum of first 16 terms when a is equal to 5 and d is equal to negative 1 over 2 as 20. Now using the similar steps, let us find out what will be the sum of first 16 terms when a is going to be equal to 1 and the common difference is positive 1 over 2. So here a is equal to 1, d is equal to 1 over 2 and n is equal to 16. So S16 will be equal to 16 over 2 times 2 times 1 plus 16 minus 1 times the common difference is positive 1 over 2. Now simplifying this we get, now 2 divides 16 giving us 8 times 2 times 1 is 2 plus 16 minus 1 is 15 times 1 over 2. Now simplifying this further, 8 times 2 plus, now 15 times positive 1 gives us positive 15 over 2. Now taking a common denominator, that is 2 over 1, we are going to multiply 2 by 2 and 1 also by 2, giving us 8 times 2 times 2 is 4 plus 15 over a common denominator 2. Now 2 divides 8, that is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 4 times is 8, giving us 4 times, now 4 plus 15 is 19. Now 4 times 19 gives us sum of first 16 terms of an AP as 76. So these are the two values of the sum which we get. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.